logical intelligence. This we all know. We have many of us have been participating in competitive exams across the world, wherever we are as a student. This mathematical abilities, logical abilities, and is an ability to calculate, to quantify things, to consider proper propositions, what different kinds of hypotheses, and then to complete mathematical operations, and is an ability to perceive something abstract, symbolic representations. It's called reasoning skill, and it's called also a deductive thinking process. So this is used mostly by mathematicians, detectives, then scientists who work on this kind of an intelligence mostly, and this is called as a is used mostly in the scientific temperament. If I am very thoughtful, very intelligent, mostly when we say he's very intelligent, we actually refer to mostly this kind of a logical or a mathematical intelligence. We don't recognize other talent. That's why today we just want to force kids to read as though they have only to develop this skill in this world. So what about all the other skills? So kids can develop according to their abilities, whatever Krishna has given in their karma, and as they grow ahead, they can see various skills which they have developed. We can see kids who didn't even know how to play kartal. Now they are playing kartal. So, and one day they will be able to play guitar, they will be able to play keyboard, a lot of things they will be able to play. It's all hidden talent. So this is musical skill. Like that, as a person grows according to their own karma, whatever Krishna has given, so they will be able to develop these skills at different time points in their life. So especially in management, this is a very much important skill apart from the intrapersonal skill, to manage the administrative affairs in finance, in HR, and also in debates. In debates, there's more of a logic, they're more of a reasoning ability to talk for or against a particular topic. And in preaching especially, this is very important, because today's world is more have developed this kind of a skill. That's why Srila Prabhupada's books is full of logic, reasoning, analogies, which captures our scientific temperament. So it's very easy to preach and convince people to chant if you have this ability.